Okay, so in this video, we will see that how we can cartoonize an image. Like for example, I have this image and how I can convert it into this form. Like a normal image, we can cartoonize and make it in a cartoon format. Okay, so to do this conversion, we are going to use Google Colab because they are providing free GPU. So even if your system is slow, then you can use even from mobile, we can do all these things. Okay, here actually we can do two things. One is we can use single image conversion and also we can do a batch image conversion. Batch images conversion is nothing but like you are having around 100 images at once and you want to convert everything at a single shot, then we can go for batch image conversion. Okay, if you are going to do a single image conversion, then you can directly connect because when you are just pressing connect, actually it will connect to CPU, not GPU. Because for single image conversion, we don't need GPU. But if you are going to do multiple images at once, then we need GPU to speed up our process. So if you want to connect to GPU, then click runtime and go change runtime type. And from CPU, just change for T4 GPU and click save. So when you are doing that, now you will see that it is showing that connect to T4, right? Which means it is asking us to connect to GPU. Then click connect. Now it will connect to GPU, not CPU. But as a sidebar, you just know this like Google Colab, it is monitoring the usage of GPUs because they are providing free GPUs. They are monitoring whether we are utilizing it properly or not. So if you connect to GPU and if you are not utilizing it properly, and also if you are over utilizing the GPU for some random process, then they will block us for some times, which means they will block us for some period of time. Then after 1 or 2 days or after maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour, no one knows what is the exact time that they will block us. Then only we can use their GPU again, or we need to change our Google account to some other account. Then we need to log in and use the GPU. So as a side part, if you are not going to really utilize GPU, then change your runtime again back to CPU and do the normal process. There will not be much time delay in conversion a single image because this is just an image conversion. Okay, now anyway we are going to do some batch process, so I connect to GPU. So the first thing is we need to install the requirements, so just press run. Actually I already do some editing in the code and fix all the errors. Actually this I just copied from half of the codes I copied from someone else GitHub, and there was some errors because that was old version, so I fixed it already. So most around 99.9% there will be no error, and also few errors will come and I will let you know how to like what are those error and how to fix all those error in this video itself. So when you run install requirements and press refresh here, you can see there is a folder created. Actually this folder is nothing but this is the folder, the main folder which contain all the codes for the conversion and all this process. Okay, so this is done. It shows tick, which means there is no problem in that. Then run import package. Okay, now this also shows tick, which means there is no problem. Then now we are coming for image conversion. First we need to call the cartoonize function. So for that you just this code, and this code also will not show any error and it will run fast. And now we are really going to do the conversion. Okay, here we can do image conversion in two ways. One is we can take an image from online, or we can take image from your PC itself. Now if you want to take an image from online, maybe I'm just taking an image. Let's go and take the Dark Tower Pix. That is a movie and they have a lot of stills. Okay, so we'll take this picture and we'll try to do the conversion. So for this, just go to this picture, just right click and give open image in new tab, and you will see an image. Okay, whenever you are choosing an online image, careful about whether the resolution of this image. Okay, this image actually the resolution is somewhat good. Anyway, it is not a full image, still it is a smaller image. But for example, if you go to some other images like this image, open in new tab. So you will see that this image is very small, which means if you do conversion, it will not be the clarity will not be very good because the image resolution is very small. So when you zoom, actually it's already the pixel gets broken. So try to choose a good resolution one and just go to this URL, copy the URL and come back here and paste it in this F name. Then press run. Okay, now it's just getting the file, and yeah, here you can see that now it is doing the conversion because we are taking only one image, so it is just getting conversion and it shows 100%, so which means the image is getting converted, and now it will just show the output of this one. So this is the source, the image that we have given, and this is the cartoonized image. If you okay, now this image is showing in a smaller one. If you want to, like, you can either zoom in and you can see, but when you're zooming and see, the pixel is getting broken. So if you want to see the proper clarity of this image, just go and refresh it here, and here you can see that there is a folder called cartoonized image. So the inside this folder only actually it is just storing our converted image. So if you double click this image, then you can see the converted image over here. Okay, now in order to download this one, you just go here and click download the image. Then it will just load and it will ask to save, where to save. Okay, I just want to save here and press enter. Now my image gets downloaded. Okay. Okay, so this is the way that we can do the image conversion. We can cartoonize an image using an URL. There is a problem with using an URL. It will not work always. So for example, if I go to this image and okay, I'm just doing as usual, just open the image in new tab and taking this URL and pasting it here. See, actually it says that this is forbidden. Actually, which means the website owner they does not allow any programming script to download their image, because unless we download an image, we cannot do the conversion. So if you want to do this one, then you have to manually download that image in your PC. Then we have to do the conversion. Okay, for example, if I want to do this one, and if it is not being allowed by the website, I mean, if it is saying that it is forbidden, then what you can do is you then right click this one and save images, then save it in a place that wherever you want to save. Okay, let me save in this test folder and I'm just saving it one. Okay, after saving this one, just go back to this place. Okay, in order to take an image from PC, what you have to do is you just cancel out the URL, I mean make it empty, then run this file. So when you're running this code, now it will ask you to choose an file. So go here. Okay, now we can choose an image, and this is the image that we have downloaded. And careful about this, now we are here doing an individual conversion, so you have to choose only one image, not like you can actually, it will allow you to choose lot of image, but since it is an individual image conversion, it will just do only one image. So just click only one image and press open. Even if you choose 3 or 4 files, actually it will just take only the first file and do the conversion. The remaining 3 files will not be converted. So it is like useless to choose all the files. So better choose only one file for here. Later we'll see that how we can do the batch image conversion in the down part. Okay, now I have choose that file and it is doing conversion. It is doing the conversion of 0 by 1 because there is only one image and 100% is over, and you can see the output over here. So if you want to see the output, just refresh and go to cartoonized image, and this is the output. Just click and you can see the output here. So if you want to download this one, just go here, press download the image. It will download the last converted output. Okay, here remember one thing, when you are clicking this one, actually it is downloading the last converted output. So if you forget to download the previous converted image, then you cannot get it back. So always remember, like once you converted an image, always remember to download it, otherwise it will be lost. So now I just click to save and I can see that it is being converted. So this is the image that I have given, and this is the cartoonized form of this one. Okay, so here we see that how we can do like individual image wise. Now for example, I have 3 images here in a folder. So now if I want to convert all these in a single shot, maybe you have 100 image or 200 image, and if you want to do a single shot, then we need to go for batch conversion. So for that, just go and run image conversion code. Then it will same as choose file, but now you can choose multiple files. So now I'm just choosing this 3 file and click open. So now it says that 3 files selected. So now those 3 files will get uploaded one by one. So according to the internet speed that it will get uploaded. So just be patient for some time. Okay, so now you can see that it is saying 0/3 because now we have 3 images and it is doing conversion. So now 3/3, which means all these 3 images get converted. Okay, now it will not show any output because there are totally 3 images, right? If you are having 100 images, then I didn't write a code to show all the 100 images. So if you want to visualize all these three, then just go here and click refresh. And since we are doing cartoonize for folder, like for a batch images, so you need to go to cartoonize folder, and you will see the three output. If you want, you can click one by one and you can see the output of these three. You can see that is the output of Taj Mahal image, and this is the output of actor Vijay. So yeah. Okay, now if you want to download this whole converted files, then just go here and download. In Google Colab, you cannot download a folder. So what I usually do is I usually convert that folder into a zip file and we will download. So then you click save. Then you will see that now it is downloaded as a zip folder. So now you go here and it will be a zip folder. If you go inside zip folder, you will see the three outputs are being here. Okay, if you go and see the real image of Taj Mahal, see, this is the real image of Taj Mahal and this is the cartoonized image. Actually, as of now, I have worked on if it is an structure, if it is an image of any buildings or any image of a town or car, actually these are being cartoonized in a very perfect way. Sometimes some faces are not being cartoonized in a perfect way, but if it is a structural, if it is a building or if it is some pattern, then the model is working pretty fine. So if you are a designer, if you are a artist, then if you want to cartoonize an image, then if you want to sketch it back, then you can use this model and it is working perfectly fine. And also I worked on like this picture of actor and we did the conversion and we got the output in this format. So this also is fine, but the face didn't comes very perfect. But for some people, like okay, this image also we did right. So for him, it comes pretty well. So you have to check with different images and it works fine. Okay, I hope that this video is being helpful for you guys. And if you want more features to be added in this part, then you can just command it down. Then I will add the more features in the bottom of this code and I will update this code. And if you are facing any error, then you can please comment it down. Then I will reply you and help you to fix all those errors. Okay, so that's all for this video. We will see you in the next video.